Hello, welcome to MyMathYourMath. Today we're going to solve systems of equations. So it's systems of two equations, two unknowns. Anytime you have n equations and you have n unknowns, you can always solve it. But we're going to do 2x2s today. And I'm going to do a problem twice. I'm going to do it using the substitution method, and then I'm also going to do it using the elimination method as well. Okay? There's one third method called, graphing method, but we're not going to get into that one today. So the equation posed is 2x plus y equals 5. X minus y equals 13 is the second one. So first we're going to focus on substitution. What is substitution? It's exactly substitution. You substitute one into the other. Alright, so what you do is you pick a variable that you'd like to isolate, that you'd like to get it by itself, solve for that variable in one of the two equations, plug it into the one that you did not solve. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that here. So we have 2x plus y equals 5. And then we have x minus y equals 13. So from that bottom one, we can deduce that, we can deduce that y is equal to x minus 13. Okay? And now, we take this y and we plug it into here. I might need a bit more room. Alright? So now we are able to solve for x. Alright, let's see what happens here. So we have 2x plus, instead of y, let me write that bigger, 2x plus, now it's going to be an x minus 13 equals 5. Okay? We're going to combine the like terms. Okay? We're going to add 13 to both sides. And then we get that 3x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 6. So we found what x is, and now to get y, you can go back to that very original one and plug this x in. So y is equal to x minus 13. So that's 6 minus 13, negative 7. And then you'd like to write your final answer in a coordinate form. And by that I just mean in a pair. So the answer here is 6, negative 7. I'm going to go write that here so we have it for later. 6, negative 7. Because we're going to do it using elimination and see that we get the same exact thing. Alright. Elimination method. We're going to pick one of the two variables to eliminate. Now if you look straight at this, you would want the variable that you want to eliminate, you want the coefficient, the number in front, to be the same but opposite, right? Here we already have one that's the same but opposite, right? The y is positive one up top, negative one down below. If we add those, the y goes away. That's why it's called elimination, because you are going to eliminate one of the variables first. So let's go ahead and add the equations. Just like you add numbers, you can add equations. So we have 2x plus y equals 13. X minus y equals, that was 5. And then we have 13 down below. And we add these. Okay? So 2x plus x is going to be 3x. The y's go away, they cancel. 5 and 13 becomes 18. So then that means x equals 6. So far, so good. The first one, we also got x equals 6, right? And then we just want to make sure that y equals negative 7. And all we got to do is plug this 6 into either one of these two equations. I'm going to choose the top one. So x minus, and this we're using a bit of substitution if you notice. right? Because this 6 is going to go in here. So then we get 6 minus y equals 13. So y equals negative 7. As needed, and we are done. So the answer is 6 comma negative 7. Doesn't matter if you use substitution, elimination, or the graphing method. Thanks.